Hello everyone, today I am going to tell about the story of Lion and Mouse. One of the oldest moral stories of the lion and the mouse is everyone's favorite. Uh, and the story teaches the importance of friendship and that regardless of how big or powerful you are, and you can always end up in trouble. Moral education is best taught in the form of these stories that children can empathize with. Little details in the story are important to teach kids big lesson. Here we present the lion and the mouse story with a moral for children of all ages. And the tales of the lion and the mouse. Uh, Once upon a time, a ferocious lion lived in a dense African jungle. The lion always took his afternoon nap under the shade of big tree in the business. One day, a small playful mouse saw the lion and decided to investigate closer. The mouse found the lion's mane enticing, jumped on its head to play in the lion's dense mane. This annoyed the lion. As he woke up from his slumber, he caught the mouse and roared at him for being a pest. The lion was about to crush the little mouse to death when the mouse began squeaking, pleading with the lion to spare his life. He told the uh, lion that if he spares his life, the mouse will help him to in return someday. The lion was amused at the mouse words and decided to spare his life. One day, when the lion was strolling through the jungle, he got caught in a hunter's net. The lion frantically tried to tear the net apart or bit through it, but he was unsuccessful as his claws and teeth were not sharp enough to cut through the net. The lion begins the roar, pleading for help from anybody who might be passing by. The mouse, who lived nearby, heard the lion and rushed to him. With his sharp teeth, the mouse nibbled through the net. He freed the lion, and the both of them fled the place. After the while, After a while, they reached the spot where they first met, and the lion thanked the mouse immensely for his help. He confessed that he underestimated the mouse offers before, but now understood that everybody needs support at some point. Since then, both the lion and the mouse became the best friend. The moral of the story: a good deed never goes to waste. The kindness you show has a way of coming back to you in unexpected ways. The lion shows kindness to the playful mouse by not killing him for disturbing his sleep. His act of kindness comes back to him in the form of the mouse help. It also essential to understand that regardless of how big and powerful you are, you can also get into trouble, and sometimes help can come from the most unexpected places. Lion and the Mouse fable has been a moral story for hundreds of years. Also, this popular story is meant to teach children that helps can come from even the smallest places. Thank you. That's all about the story of Lion and Mouse.